Change my tactic. Okay, I'm gonna have to spin you around so you can watch the rest of the size in this big log. This is like 30-inch or more a log. Okay, here we go. Just give me a minute here to set up the tribe. So I know it's not going to flip over. Okay, something like that is good. Where's it go? Okay, I think we got it right. So that's it. That looks good. Okay, watch the start of this this show. I pushed the button by mistake. Anyway, the reason that it was not oiling was because I think whoever bought a bunch of saws, they bought them without the chain and bar and chain, and there was no way, by the way this head was designed to oil the chain, that it was going to oil with a type of bar that they had on there. So I bought an Oregon bar without knowing what I have to do, and I said to myself, if I have to open something up, maybe a hole, I had in mind what was wrong anyway. And I bought the Oregon chain and bar. I put it on, and I realized right away there was no way that that this bar, the same that they had on, but a different brand, their brand, Chinese brand, that it was going to oil. So the bar, actually, if I knew, and I bought a bar from a steel or a Husqvarna, it would work on this. What was missing, it was the hole that's on the side of the bar. Besides the two holes they got there, there's another hole that oils the chain. There was no hole on the bar that they sent me with a chainsaw, and on this bar that I bought thinking, you know, this is exactly looks like what they had on. So I figured it out, I made the hole, and it oils like crazy. Unbelievable. You saw yourself how it cuts. Freaking a tree that's in some spots is 3 feet wide. And it has no problem cutting it at all. So I recommend this sauce. Now that I found the problem, I don't think I'm gonna spend $1,000 and $2,000 to buy a chainsaw that this could do the same thing. All you gotta do is put on the right bar and chain. So I hope that helped you guys, and you learned something from me. And hopefully you won't have to spend crazy money to buy a chainsaw. And look at the way it starts. I mean, this is amazing. You don't have to go crazy. Look at this. Amazing. So now I got a chainsaw, you know, with these chainsaws, all of them, they're the same. You gotta clean them. You gotta clean the track. You gotta clean the hole when it clogs up. And I don't think you're gonna have any problems whatsoever. With this chainsaw, I cut down, even while it wasn't oiling, I cut down all these trees up there. I'll show you, I'll walk up a little bit there. A whole pile of trees up there with that chainsaw, and it was not oiling. And it wore out the bar, it wore out the chain, it wore out everything, and I kept filing the chain and working with the bar so it doesn't cut like a U-turn. And I did it. So now it's oily. Now I can cut a million logs. These logs that you see here laying down, all of them, I cut them down with my 550. But then it was a cold day, and I couldn't come up here and do some more work. And I said, let me see what I can do with the Chinese chainsaw. That chainsaw there. I said, it's got 20-inch bar. And I started working on it. Right away, I figured it out. I said, this is it. I said, that's the problem. How is it going to oil? The bar itself is blocking the oiling system. So I fixed it, and I'm happy I did that because it works crazy. It works. I'm going to say it's a faster saw than the 550 XP Husqvarna, or maybe even the 562. Yeah, 562, because this chainsaw is it's a 62 cc's. And the engine, as you heard also, it sounds very, very healthy, very good, even though I used it for so much. So anyway, guys, this is Tony from the Mountain Lifestyle. I hope you like my videos. I hope you learned something today, and you don't have to spend crazy money to buy a chainsaw. And subscribe, give me the thumbs up. Say something that I'm okay, you know, you're learning something from me sometimes. So I'll see you guys again at the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.